Hello students. Today we will study about electric field and electric field intensity vector. Student, please, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe, share and like. And also if you want to see the same video, the same topic in Hindi medium, then please see my other channel Nan Ashkulin, and also link of that video will be given here in description box. Okay, now let us start. What is electric field? Student, we know that if there are two charges, let us suppose q1 and q2, if there are two charges, then from Coulomb's law we know that the two charges will exert a force on each other, means this charge will also exert a force on this q2 in this direction along the line joining the two charges, and this q2 will also exert a force on q1 along this direction. Okay, now we also know that if the distance between the two charges is small r, then the magnitude, the value of force acting between the two charges, F, has value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Student, from here you can easily see that if distance r will be increased, means if r will increase, then the value of force will decrease, because this is inversely proportional to a square of the distance between the two charges. Okay, means from any charge q, as soon as you will go ahead, as far as you will go farther from this charge, then this charge q will exert lesser value of force on any other charge, because in this case r will increase, and as r will increase, the force due to this charge small q will decrease. Okay student, means you can see that there is a certain limit. After that distance, after that limit, the value of force will become very less, okay. So from here we can develop the concept of electric field. Then now what is electric field? Electric field is the region surrounding any charged particle. It is the region surrounding any charged particle where the electric force can be experienced. Why? Because after certain distance, after certain limit, from here you can notice that the value of force will become very less. So the region surrounding any charged particle, only in that region a considerable value of force can be experienced by any other charge, if that charge comes in this region. So this region surrounding any charged body is known as electric field of this charge body, and the same thing is written here. The region surrounding any charged body throughout which the electric force can be experienced is called electric field of that charged body. Means we will say this region surrounding this charged body q is electric field. This is the electric field of a small q, of charge small q. This is the electric field. Okay student, now one thing, now within this area, within this electric field of this charge q, one thing is also clear, that the value of force due to this charge q on any other charge will be also different at different places. If we put any other charge capital Q here, and let assume any other position this q, then the force due to a small q on this capital Q in the two cases, in first case, in second case, will be different within this electric field, within this region. Means I mean to say that within the electric field, the value of a strength of electric field, magnitude of electric field is also different. So what is electric field intensity? We are now at the term electric field intensity. Electric field, how you will calculate that what will be the value of electric field at this point. what will be the strength of electric field at this point, what will be the strength of electric field at this point, what will be the strength of electric field at this point due to this small q, what will be the value of electric field at this point due to this small q. Very clear that at different places the value of the strength of electric field will be different. So this strength of electric field is calculated by the term electric field intensity. And how you will calculate this, value, this strength? For this student, we put a test charge, that is unit positive charge. Unit means 1, positive means plus 1 coulomb charge. If you want to see the strength of electric field at this point, just suppose if you want to know the strength of electric field at this point, then for this put unit positive charge, that is also known as test charge, at this point, and thereafter calculate the force acting on this charge due to a small q. The value of force acting on this point due to a small q will be the value of electric field at this point. How we will calculate this? Just see. Let us see a common description. Student, we know that from here, this is the force acting on q2 due to q1 and vice versa. You are understanding? Okay. Now, if q2 becomes plus 1 coulomb charge, unit positive charge, if q2 is unit positive charge, means now we are interested to know the value of electric field at this point due to this q1. Then just suppose this is q and this is q1, then this become q and this become q1. If q1 is unit positive charge, then force will become electric field, and this become from here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q1 is 1 coulomb, this divided by r square, and so the electric field at this point is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Okay, this is very important formula, student. You have to remember this, that due to any point charge a small q at a distance a small r from that point charge q, the value of electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. Same thing is written here. Electric field intensity, what is this? It is the force experienced by unit positive charge, also known as test charge, in the electric field. The magnitude of electric field at a distance a small r from point charge a small q is this formula. You have to remember one thing. And electric field intensity, it is a vector quantity. Magnitude you can calculate from this formula. And for direction, remember that for direction, due to point charge, positive charge, the direction of electric field will be away from this and along the line joining the point and that charge, and away from this. And due to negative charge, if this is negative charge minus q, due to negative charge, the direction of electric field will be towards the charge and along the line joining the charge and that point. Okay, let us see some examples, some questions, and thereafter your concept will be very clear. Now, how this formula is being used in numericals, student? Just suppose a question: if the value of electric field, if the value of electric field due to charge a small q at a distance 3 meter from it is 9 into, just let this is 4 meter from it is 9 into 9 Newton per 9 Newton per Coulomb, 9 Newton per Coulomb, then find the value of Q. Find the value of Q. Find the value of Q. Okay, student. What is given here? If the value of electric field due to charge a small q, capital Q at a distance 4 meter from it is 9 Newton per Coulomb. This 9 Newton per Coulomb, what is this? This is E. The value of E is given 9 Newton per Coulomb. Distance a small r. Distance a small r. A small r is given 4 meter, and you have to find the value of Q. Value of Q. We have the formula E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. From here E is 9, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Student, you have to remember its value. Its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q. We have to find the value of Q. Distance R square means 4 square. Now from here, this is Q is this 9 and this 9 will become cancelled. 16 by 10 to the power 9. 16 by 10 to the power 9 Coulomb. Means 16 into 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb. See, this is your final answer. Okay, student. One thing, student, you can notice here that just as we have derived this formula, right now we have derived this formula E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. From here, F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R square, E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. From this two, student, notice you can write F equals to Q1E. F equals to Q1E. Means in general from this we have an important relation between electric force and electric field. This is the relation between electric force and electric field, and this relation says that if you put a charge Q1 at a place where electric field is capital E, then this charge Q1 will experience a force, electric force, value equal to Q1E. So this is the relation between force and electric field. Okay, student. And from here you can write down the unit of electric field. The unit of electric field will be E equals to F by Q1. Unit of force is Newton. Q1 charge, the unit is Coulomb, and so electric field, its unit will become Newton per Coulomb. Same thing is written here, Newton per Coulomb. Okay, student. So now let us we will see further in next class, next topic.